Hello and welcome. My name is Owen, and today I'm going to highlight 4 facts that makes engineering licensing so special. So I will present my screen now. What is special about engineering licensing that is based on license servers? First, allocation. So typically you allocate a license to a person by installing the software on his workstation. So for example, take Microsoft Office. If you install the license on my machine, I have it, it's allocated to me. With engineering licensing, the allocation is done by the license manager, not by the installation. Mobility. So typically, same. Let's take the example about Office. You install Office to me, it's typically I will use it for months or years until I will replace my machine. With engineering licenses, the allocation is typically for minutes, hours, and in the extreme cases also for seconds. How do you are you charged? So basically, in most licensing methods, by installation, by user, by processor, but in engineering, it's typically by concurrent use. And last, what is the discovery sources? So in software asset management, we go and scan the end user disk and go to the data centers and scan the servers. In engineering, we check the entitlement on the license manager. So to summarize, today we reviewed the 4 main differences, the 4 main things that makes engineering licensing so special. Thank you for joining.